Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is class 3 of 2 into 2 Rubik cube. In the previous video I showed you how to solve the first layer of the cube. This is the first layer with white color. So in today's video we try to put yellow color into this part. I told you the opposite of white is yellow. So we try placing all the yellow parts to this particular place. So how do we do that? We use the same algorithm that we used yesterday, which is right side up, up to the left, right side down, up to the right. We'll use the same algorithm to do that. Now, just flip your cube and make sure that the white is on the top. And you have to concentrate on this part of the cube, that is right bottom corner. So you should either have yellow color here or yellow color here. Okay, now I have yellow color here. I'm going to apply this algorithm. Right side up to the left, right side down, up to the right. Again, one more time. Right side up to the left, right side down, up to the right. Again, once more. Right side up to the left, right side down, up to the right. Now again once more, right side up to the left, right side down, up to the right. So once I know that the yellow piece is already here down, see it's already down, I'll stop there. Now I'm going to just turn the bottom part of the cube to find other yellow pieces. I have an yellow here. Now I'm going to apply the algorithm again. Right side up to the left, right side down, up to the right. Again once more, right side up to the left, right side down, up to the right. Now I already have another yellow here. See, I have two yellows. Now again just turn this cube and see if you have yellow. I have yellow. So just concentrate on this part. Okay, nowhere else, only this part. And again apply the algorithm. Right side up to the left, right side down, up to the right. Again once more. Now again I know that yellow has come down here. So now again, just turn the bottom part of the cube. Now I have yellow in the front, it's facing. Now again apply the algorithm. Right side up to the left, right side down, up to the right. Don't worry about anything. Just do the algorithm. Now, I know that yellow is complete. Just flip the cube and see if the yellow is complete. So I have yellow here. Okay. If you find this video helpful, then do share it with your family and friends and support me by subscribing to my channel. And I'll see you in class 4 where I'll be helping you solve this part of the cube. We'll see you all in the next video. Until then, take care and thank you for watching.